Do you want to bring your logo to life? Well, then let me show you how to animate a logo in After Effects with a simple step-by-step process. Quickly though, if this does help, please do like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Now let's get straight into it. First, import your logo. Drag the file into the project timeline. If your logo is a flat file like a PNG or JPEG, you'll only have one layer to work with. If it's layered, like from Illustrator or Photoshop, import it as a composition in order to retain the layer sizes for more control. Now, let's get animating. Select your logo layer, press P on your keyboard to reveal the position property, and click on the stopwatch icon to set a starting keyframe. Move the playhead forward in time, then adjust the position value to create motion. For example, you can have your logo slide in from the side or bottom. Want to add more interest? Press the S key for scale or R for rotation and animate these properties the same way. Set a keyframe, move the playhead and adjust the values. It's a simple combination, like scaling up while rotating slightly can make a big impact. Next, smooth out your animation. Select all of the keyframes, right-click and choose Keyframe Assistant, Easy Ease. This will make the motion look more natural. Then go ahead and open the graph editor by clicking on this icon in the timeline panel and tweak the speed curves for even more refinement. A steep curve creates a snappy effect, while a gentle curve looks smoother. Finally, let's finish by enhancing it. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and add effects like glow, drop shadow, or blur. Once you're happy with your animation, preview it to make sure everything looks smooth. Then render your project by going to Composition and Add to Render Queue, choosing your settings and then exporting. And that's it. I hope this video helped.